Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Sutton. I'm a dentist here at Newport Family Dental Care. I've been a dentist for almost 10 years. I've been a dentist here for a little over 3 years. With my first part of my career was in the Army as a dental officer for the United States Army. Well, I think, as little kids, we all get excited and just want to be dad. Then we, grow up a little or become teenagers and we don't want to be dad at all in any way, shape, or form, and that's just a natural progression. But as I went into college, I was really excited, really interested in sciences, and I majored in chemistry and with a minor in biology. Did some research in chemistry and during my summers, and realized that while I enjoyed the academics of the sciences, I don't think I really enjoyed the application in the research field. So, and realizing I was a lot like my father, and realizing that he still practiced dentistry with the passion he did when he entered the field, made me look into it a lot more. Probably my sophomore year of college, I realized that that's the way I needed to go, and I would remain passionate for many, many years about dentistry, not feel like I made the wrong decision. And where I am today, I'm very, very fortunate to have chosen dentistry and been put in a situation where I could see that dentistry, you have the ability to work with your hands, you have the ability to work with people, interact with people daily, and being able to do that and apply the sciences to that is something that keeps me interested. What I love most about dentistry is being able to work with people. And I really feel like God has all given us certain skills or certain abilities to add value to society or value to our time here on this earth. So I really feel like being able to interact with people and being able to improve people's health through dentistry is something that's what I value most about my job.